Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Interest taxes can flip this, so watch this quick breakdown of how saving changes the loanable funds market and leads to the right choice.
An increase in the tax rate on interest earned means savers keep less of the return from putting money into savings accounts, so saving becomes less rewarding overall. Because the after-tax payoff is smaller, households are discouraged from saving, and that means fewer dollars flow into banks and financial markets as available loanable funds. In the loanable funds market, supply shifts left, so the equilibrium real interest rate rises, which matches exactly what option A says. Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust details and check steps, because taxes on interest reduce saving, shrinking supply, and